Welcome to Decipher Beauty TV, a place to get tips, tricks, and information to look your best. Ever wondered why your skin never quite achieves that glowing, dewy look, even after trying countless products? Could it be that the problem lies not in the products, but in the process? Enter the magical world of aloe, nature's own beauty elixir. Known for its healing and soothing properties, this unassuming plant could be the missing link in your skincare routine. To get started with aloe, first ensure that your face is free from makeup and dirt. Use a gentle cleanser to remove all traces of cosmetics and grime. This creates a clean canvas for the aloe to work its magic. Next, it's time to apply the aloe. You can either use fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant or an organic, preservative-free product from the store. Spread a thin layer of the gel across your face, leaving it slightly damp. Once the aloe is on, it's time for a gentle massage. Use your fingertips to gently rub the aloe into your skin in circular motions. This not only helps the aloe absorb better, but also boosts blood circulation, leading to a healthier, more vibrant complexion. After massaging, let the aloe sit on your face for about 20 minutes. This gives it ample time to penetrate deep into your skin, nourishing it from within. After the time is up, rinse off with lukewarm water. Remember to moisturize immediately after rinsing. Although aloe is hydrating, it's not a substitute for your regular moisturizer. Applying a moisturizer locks in the benefits of the aloe and keeps your skin soft and supple. To recap, the process of cleaning your face with aloe involves first cleansing your face, applying aloe, gently massaging it in, letting it sit for about 20 minutes, rinsing it off, and finally, moisturizing your skin. Using aloe for face cleaning offers a plethora of benefits. It helps to cleanse your skin, soothe irritation, reduce inflammation, and fight acne. In addition, it hydrates your skin and gives it a natural, healthy glow. So why not give this simple, natural, and effective skincare routine a try? Who knows, you might just discover the secret to the radiant skin you've always dreamed of. And remember, beauty isn't about perfection. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. So embrace the natural beauty that is you, with a little help from aloe.